Circolo Restaurant and Bar by Simpul Studio in KECAMATAN Sukajadi, Indonesia. Circolo Restaurant and Bar is a renovation project, located in the northern area of Bandung City that stands in a 1,080 square meters site area. The existing building consists of three main masses, which previously functioned as an office building and a commercial building, that are no longer used and are designed in such a way as to become one complete unity. A large hole was created at the border between two separate buildings, which is connected by a bridge as the main circulation for the user. Wide and long corridors as the building entrance create a spacious and inviting ambience. With one side that is only covered by curtains, providing natural sunlight into the building indirectly creates an interesting shadow and view before people reach the main area of the building. The bar area with two-story ceiling and a tall wall constructed with glass blocks, as the backdrop of the bar becomes the centerpiece of the building that is located in the center of the new building, so that people can see it from various angles of the building. The main concept of Circolo is as a place where people can gather and socialize directly in a comfortable open space. Therefore, we try to minimize unnecessary partitions, even uniting indoor and outdoor atmosphere. Several existing structural pillars and beams are wrapped in a wood finish to give a natural ambience, and mirrors are placed in several areas, such as the stairs and on the second floor, creating reflections, which makes the room seem continuously wider and more spacious. A tall ceiling with wooden accents also makes the room feel warm for visitors who are doing activities in it. Textured beige walls were applied all over the building to give a smooth and warm tone to the design. We take into account several habits of visitors who come in large numbers with private room facilities that can accommodate quite a large number. The VIP area, which is divided into three and differentiates the levels through elevation, made lower compared to other seating areas so that it is more private. A sofa seating area that placed on the second floor so that zoning from public, semi-public to private is divided into this building.